Hi everybody. If you have dirty sallon filter or cool filter, don't rush to throw them away and buy a new one. All the filter can be washed at home using detergents. Use the filter. I have such a video on my channel how to get the filter. Then we take the basin like this with using warm water and wash all this filter with detergents. Washing the filter can is its own way. The most important thing is that in the end they are clean. Let's go. This filter does not different by the new one. That's all to work. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel and like.